Hey guys, it's plant, frame and light haul today. So if today is your first time of stumbling on this channel, this is Stranger Look UK and we do a lot of good stuff on this channel. If you think you like this channel, why don't you just hit on the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, please hit on the notification bell for YouTube to be able to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Look at those frames. Are they not gorgeous? Are they not beautiful? Ikea has got it all. You want to um, style your room, your apartment, the first place you should just check is Ikea. Got a lot of beautiful frame, a lot of beautiful frame, and they've got beautiful lights as well. Beautiful light. I didn't really know that. I've been going to Ikea, but I've not been really taking note of their lights, so I was wow when I saw Ikea lights collections. They are really beautiful. So I said, why not, let me film it and show you guys, so if you have an idea of shopping in Ikea, so you can just know that they actually have some good lights. And look at that. Look at that. Are they not beautiful? Look at that frame. Look at the frame. It's so beautiful, guys. They've got a lot of beautiful frame and it's very affordable. It's very affordable. As low as £2.50. It's very affordable. Ikea, they are very affordable. Look at those frames. Those are the big one, the one you can put in your living room or on your bedside. So it's like a large frame and they are really gorgeous, beautiful. Like almost everybody that came out of Ikea were just going out with one of these frames. Like you always see someone picking one of their frames. So they've got a lot of good frame and it's very affordable as well. I think this size is as low as £17. So their prices are really very good. And they've got a lot of beautiful flowers, guys. Really beautiful flowers. Wow. And they just did a new extensions of flower in Ikea. I think it's a new one because the last time we went, I think they were working on the place, and by the time I went there again, it was already set up and it's really beautiful, very beautiful. So the frames are really good. Yeah, this is what I am talking about. Just a little extensions for the flowers. So they just did this. It wasn't here before, so they just did this and it's really beautiful. They've got a lot of gorgeous flowers you can just pick from. Look at those flowers, and I love the way the place is being styled. It's so nice. Look at that. Look at those flowers. Look at those flowers. They're really, really beautiful. Gorgeous flowers. I really love this flower. I was just looking at it all through, and there is one of their flower that I love so much. I'm going to show you guys. That's the flower. I love it. This flower, you can actually put it anywhere in your apartment. It's really, really beautiful. Seriously, it's very, very gorgeous. I love this flower. Like, seriously, I love it a lot. So you can just put the vase and just put it inside. You can see how beautiful it is. Anywhere in your apartment, you can actually put it. In the living room, even in the kitchen, in the bedroom. It's beautiful. Some of these flowers is as low as £10. Was that one as low as £10 as well? That I cannot remember, but I think a lot of them are as low as, is it £10 or 19.99, and they've got a lot of nice vests. These plants are really beautiful. Look at them. Look at how beautiful the plants look. Whoa. They have a lot of plants, like different kinds of plants. These plants you won't see in Ikea. Seriously, they have a lot of good plants. And they have beautiful vests as well. Nice bed. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do enjoy this video, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, please hit on the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. I do post new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, please hit on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one.